It can be scary to pursue your dream, but it's also exciting. I built a Wix website in one night.
And it completely changed my career.
I'm Kevin Zych, and I'm a reportage artist in New York City. I've drawn everything from local stories here in Brooklyn to Tony Hawk going off of a half pipe, literally right underneath him. Reportage art is an immersive world. It's about the first-hand experience. My drawing style is a raw, authentic interpretation of the moment. So my website needs to showcase that same kinetic energy. It was important for me to build it myself. If I have an idea for something, I can just quickly create that. I make new pages all the time. I draw fast, and my site keeps up. I was on a very traditional path. Steady job, steady income, but I always wanted to do something unique. I realized that drawing is what I love the most. I chose to become a sketch artist, and I never looked back. Today, my business has come to take a few different pillars. Brand activations, teaching online classes, and then working as an illustrator. My website is the hub for everything. When a client wants to book you, they need to know they can rely on you in a professional setting. Success for me is when people experience life more deeply through art. I didn't follow a map, I drew my own with Wix.